Hello and welcome to Inside Indiana Business. I'm Gary Dick. It appears as though the RV industry is back, big time. And that's big news for northern Indiana. This week, Jayco announced plans for a new mega facility in Middlebury and 300 new jobs. Thor Motor Coach says it's planning expansions in Elkhart, Wakarusa, and Bristol that could mean 400 jobs. Lippert Components CEO Jason Lippert says the industry is struggling to find skilled workers. In fact, he says he has 500 job openings today. For more on what's driving RV industry growth in northern Indiana, let's bring in Greater Elkhart Chamber of Commerce President and CEO Kyle Hannon. As always, Kyle, welcome to the program.
Great to be here, Gary.
Cited those statistics, those job openings. The industry really is on a roll in northern Indiana.
Yeah, the industry has been charging ahead for a long time, and at least a few years at least, and we're not really sure if there's an end in sight. There has to be, but nobody can tell you when it's going to be.
Yeah, what's driving this growth? RVs are cyclical, certainly, but what's really driving it?
They are, and they're really kind of driven by disposable income. And when the economy picks up, more people are able to do it. Because you figure, okay, the RV lifestyle, the camping lifestyle, is becoming increasingly popular. And it's popular across age groups. It's not just grandpa's old RV. It's millennials, Gen X people are enjoying the camping lifestyle, and RVs are the best way to do it.
Yeah, to put this in perspective, as we go back, and I remember talking to you and doing numerous stories back in 2008, President Obama made a trip there. Elkhart County, highest unemployment rate in the entire country. It was a tough, difficult, negative story. Talk about what it was like back then.
It was tough because everybody knew somebody out of work. It was rough. At the same time, there was some confidence in it. We thought, people locally were saying, we've been through this before and we've come back out. And the thing is that a lot of the loss of RV sales was not due to people not being interested anymore. It was a matter of gas prices being a little higher, and then the lending situation. So people wanted an RV, but they couldn't get a loan to buy one. So when the economy picked up, people had more disposable income. That pent-up demand surfaced.
Okay, you're at unemployment now, unemployment rate at about 2%, so essentially full employment there. Lippert Components talking about thousands of job openings in the coming years that will need to be filled, questioning how to do it. What are initiatives going on to try to get to this really gap?
Well, it is tough, and the part of the problem is that the economy is good most places, so there aren't a lot of spare workers around. So, some of the things we can do to try to make the community more attractive. The Chamber's been involved in talent attraction for years, trying to help make the community a little better. So some training programs, the schools have stepped up to do this work ethic certification countywide, which is pretty exciting. And then the governor was in town talking about the Next Level Jobs program, and that job training program, that has a lot of promise. I think that could have a big impact.
You're going to have to attract people in? I mean, you can't, or can you fill these internally? Or you're going to have to really attract people.
Well, it's kind of tough because Elkhart already brings in about 29,000 people a day to work. Wow. So they're flowing in. How much can you depend on the surrounding communities? Not enough. So really, you have to concentrate on the livable community, an attractive community. It is a great place to live. You just need to get that message out so people will come in.
And as we were talking off camera, the Regional Cities Initiative from the state, the Indiana Economic Development Corporation, you feel as though that can be a key piece to making things happen.
That's a big deal, and we were very happy to be part of that from the start to say, we saw the importance of this. Let's get this done. Let's make the community more livable. And fortunately, we got one of the grants, and I think that will have great payback for the state as this economy booms, because it will make Elkhart and South Bend more attractive, which brings more workers to the area.
Very quickly, just generally the economy in Elkhart, South Bend, northern Indiana, how would you rate it outside the RV industry?
The economy is tremendous outside the RV industry. In fact, everyone's looking for workers, so there's a lot of trading off. Are the RV companies attracting all the workers? It's hard to say, but really, if you need a job, come to northern Indiana. You can find one.
Okay, the now hiring signs are out.
The now hiring signs are out.
Elkhart County. Kyle Hannon is president and CEO of the Greater Elkhart Chamber. Kyle, as always, thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.